In this video, I'll show you how to play My War by Black Flag off the My War record. But before we begin, remember to like this video and subscribe. I'll be posting new videos every week, and leave a comment what you like, what you don't like, and what you want to see next time. And as always, the link for the tab for this lesson will be in the description of the video. And here we go. So this song has some really cool parts, and it starts off with this atonal part, which is pretty notey. And I'm gonna play it from memory, so just follow along with the tab, but it might help to play along with the record because the phrasing and the cadence of this part is a little weird, but I'm gonna do it from memory. So it goes like this. And that's it for that part. So it's just these kind of weird, seemingly random notes, but it has this cool kind of atonal melody. So I'll do it one more time. Again, so that rhythm might be a little off, and the cadence of that might be a little off because I'm doing it from memory. But listen to the record and just follow along with the tab, and you can play it note for note. Next, we're going to go into the verse part, which has this really cool riff, and it's this single note riff with a power chord at the end. So what I like to do is I put my index finger at the second fret, and I'm going to use my pinky to hit the 5th fret. You can maybe try and do your ring finger, but that might be kind of a hard stretch. So if you're not good with your pinky, it's going to take a little bit of practice and a little bit of work, but it goes like this. So that's the main part, and then at the end there's a power chord with the root at the 4th fret, and then it goes back in. So again, the first part of the verse is then it moves up and does the same thing on the 5th string. So it goes like this. Then back down to the 6th string. And so the real tricky part here is you're going to do a pull off. So, and the pace of the song is slow enough that you could probably do all downward strokes if you're not comfortable with doing alternate picking. Alternate picking is a little easier. Downward strokes, I think, sounds cooler. So you can go. Or you can do it. And again, I'll play that riff one more time slowly. Then we go into the chorus, and the chorus has another cool sounding single note atonal riff, and it goes like this. So basically breaking it down, this one's might be a little tricky to play without alternate picking. It's pretty quick to go, but you can do it. So it starts at the 5th fret. I like to use my first finger and my middle finger. then it sounds like there might be like a little bit of tremolo or like a little bit of a bend on that. So one more time. Then it goes back into the verse again. Then we're going to go into this interlude part, which is very similar to the one in the beginning, the notey part in the beginning. Again, it's atonal. It's kind of has a weird rhythm to it. So you can see the notes on the tab, and I'm going to play it from memory along with how it goes in the song, but it might not be perfectly on tempo, but the notes are right. So just play along with the song and follow the tab, and it'll sound right. So it goes like this. So one more time through the interlude, and I'll kind of break down each part. So it goes like this. So then here we're going to go into this kind of ascending pattern, which kind of goes like this. And then it goes up a fret, then up another fret, and then it's just going to be single notes from here. And then the last note that you hold is going to be at the second fret of the B string or the second string. So how I like to do it is at the very end you're going to do this, which is like a D chord but slid down one string. So it's like basically like playing a D chord. Instead of playing it on the top three strings, you're going to play it on the second, third, and fourth string. But you're not actually playing the chord, you're just going to kind of rake it. So what I like to do when I get to that second fret, that note before that last rake, I'll finger that D chord, that fake D chord at the second, third, and fourth string. I'll play the second note, and then it goes to the rake right after it. So again, from that build up. Back into the verse. So then after the interlude, it goes through the verse chorus again, and then at the very end there's going to be kind of an extended chorus. So after you do the normal chorus where you go, where you would normally hit that, this time you're going to go to the low E string and do that same part. So you're going to do that 4 times. Then you're going to go back to the 5th string or the A string. And then end on the E. So that's it for this one. I hope you liked the video. Remember to like this and subscribe on YouTube. I'll be posting new videos every week. And leave a comment what you like, what you don't like. And the tab for this video, the link to the tab will be in the description. So check that out, and I will see you guys next time.